Alright, we've got a nice neck with some Gatorade in it. Some shiny frets. I haven't done this bit yet. I've done that. I've cut the screw off. She's right. She's good to go. She's in there. So hopefully I'm going to put the neck on. Like I said, I've still got the old strings still on here, so that I can put the neck back under its tension. I tune it up so that it's under it, and see whether what I've done has actually fixed that massive bow in the neck. Hopefully. Ooh, we shall see. We shall see. But yeah, it's looking good, but you don't know until it's got strings pulling at it. Here we go. Our boss man's on the phone again. We're on. Fingers crossed. Go up here for a sec. So when there's nothing there, I'll put these bad boys back on. I'll engage that. I'll just engage that a little. So I've just chatting to the guy who owns this bass. They're in a band, and I mean, you don't know the story behind some of these things, you know. Like, I'm just working on it, and I'll just sort of let him know that she's a bit crook, mate. She's got a crook neck, but you know, you sort of let on the amount of bands and the amount of work this bass has actually done, you know. And yeah, it's good motivation, you know, because you sort of just go, oh look, she's no good, don't worry about it, it's not worth doing it. Because I mean, come on, like, it's not, we're not talking about a $3,000 or $4,000 instrument here, but it's worth something to him. So why not give it a go? Why not try and fix it up for him? Don't be a gear snob. For God's sake. I love Squire guitars. Alright, we got strings on. We got the strings on. So that's not up enough, bruh. Okay. Let's do that one. Alright, well, it's actually looking, yeah. Still a little bit, but we've got the truss rod. We can rely on the truss rod now, whereas before it was cranked right up and still bent, but yeah, let's be inclusive. Let's be inclusive. Let's be inclusive here. Oh mate, that's why I got these. I put them somewhere. I've been changing things around here. I've got like these T ones so that you can slide in and twisted these tilted headstocks where the strings cover the because it's just drives you mad trying to get in there sometimes. It's at the right angle. Alright, let's crank him a bit. Oh, this is going to be good. I like what we've done here. What we've done here. A little bit more. It's all good. A little bit more. Hey, it's having a chuckle. Right, I'll check this and then I'll rack off for a bit. Right, so I'm like that there. Yes. Good. Alright, I'm just gonna let that settle for a little bit. Then I'm gonna come down here and do this. We're gonna set the string height because now that's feeling good already. This is exciting. Alright, maybe we've done it. It'd be interesting to see how that behaves over the next, I don't know, I'll leave it for half a day and see what happens. Hopefully it doesn't bend straight back to where it was, I don't know. In the meantime, I'll do other things like, look at this lad, he's back for some strangs, and we pulled all the tuners apart and put new washers and stuff in there just to give it a little bit. It's just they were just getting all loose and stuff, so gonna try that. Maybe they need to be just upgraded, honestly, but it's holding tune. I've been banging away on it for a bit while I'm working on the bass. So anyway, that's not what we're here for. Let's sort this out. I'm gonna rack off and let that settle for a bit, and yep. Alrighty, we are looking pretty good. I've done that. She's sorted. These are still the old strings, but everything seems to be sitting pretty good. I'm going to do the string height, and then I'll take the back plate off and I'll give these a bit of a squirt just to clean them up a bit, and I'll whack the new strings on. Laughing. Let's have a look. Let me see if I can find you. Is that going to be better? That's going to be better. That's better. Let us have a look. That's actually not too bad. No. Right. This one can go up for a little bit. Up she goes. I'm pretty happy with this. This is actually it's good. It's actually good too. That is way low. I keep forgetting to look at that bloody screen. Yeah. Make sure they're flat. See, that could come down a little bit. Cool. Nice and flat. Wow. Well, I think we knocked him over. I won't do the strings on camera because it's going to make the video go to longer, and it's just going to be a whole episode of me just putting strings on. But anyway, I'll take them off, give it a scrub, give it a polish, just a clean, and put the new ones on it, and we're done. Legends. It's been a bit of an odd job, this one. It's yeah. But we did it. We made it. I will see you again in the next video. Cheers.